Okay guys, welcome back to the video. So in this video we're gonna be playing classic Silver Surfer. Like, look at this. Everything is like so classic now. So like I said, look at this, bro. I said even the players, like look at the player profile, even it's classic, bro. Well, Sally, you can't change the name. That's how you can change it and stuff. Like for example, I would change it to normal. So yeah, you can't change the name, but like look at this, man. Like, look at it. I feel like ow, sorry. My glasses I accidentally bited on my lip. But yeah, what else I know? So look at it. Even look at this. Oh, we're actually back on the classic mode, we're actually back. Maybe this will be a close video because I'm sorry guys I didn't post. I'm sorry guys I didn't post that much because I was just, I said just lazy and stuff. Because I was always lazy and stuff. So sorry guys about that. Because I know you may be wondering, like why I didn't post. But yeah, Subway Surfers finally, the classic mode is finally back. But hopefully it's not for a limited time only, because if it is, bro, it's gonna suck. Like, can it just be like a separate mode? Because if it's like a separate mode, then everyone can play. Well, yeah, it just came out today. You can play it right now. You can play it right now if you want. I think it's in the Google Play and App Store. Maybe Amazon. We don't know about it for sure. See, we got a box. Yeah, not bad. We got one cat though, which I really don't care about. But finally, because those were just the last update. It was just not good because it was the same update, but they changed like the Uno water and added two new things. Like what? Even like when you jump, like the rainbow effects, they're just classy, man. Like yeah, this is classic. The detail and stuff on it. It's real classic. Oh, look, I can definitely tell I'm playing the old game, though. Okay, they got me. Just take on my I don't care about it. I don't care, yo. Is this still on a hoverboard? Yeah. I wanna see, does it work in classic mode? Oh, it still works in classic mode. That's crazy. It still works in classic mode. Yeah. So I still have to collect this coin. Okay, our goal is we need to get to 1,000. That's what it is. We're gonna try to get to 1,000 coins. Cause I think I can, man. Cause no, take my coins. Just take more of my coins. Please. I don't care. Keys, whatever you call it. Oh my gosh. If we die, we die. But listen. If we die, we die. So we need to get to 1,000. See, now the game is getting faster. If we're gonna get 1,000 coins in classic Silver Surfers, that's our goal. And that's what I'm gonna hit the wheel until we get to 1,000. So come on! We're almost there. How did I die? No, what further? We're just watching the ad. I really don't want to watch the ad. We must get to 1,000 coins. 9:20 seconds. Oh my gosh. We're back, guys. We must get to 1,000. We're still getting to 1,000, no matter what. We're still gonna try to get to 1,000. If we don't, I'm just gonna, bro. I'm gonna rage quit. Just joke, I'm not rage quit. Just, bro, don't rage quit out of here. Because I said we're still trying to do it again. Because, bro, we may not win, but this. Oh my god! Why am I keep on dying, bro? Rage, bro. Now we have to watch. No, it's just a 7-second ad. No, we can wait, bro. We can wait. Thank you for watching. Bro, why would I be happy for watching that ad, bro? Why would I be happy for just watching the ad, bro? Like, bro, I will not be happy if I have to watch a little ad, bro. Like, what do you mean? Thank you for watching. If you pause the video, guys, you will see it. But that's what I'm gonna do, because maybe, okay, so all you have to do is get to 8, then I'll end the video. I promise it. Let me try something. Yes, bro, I'm trying, bro. So we can get to, to get to 900. We did it, bro. Now we're at 900. Now we need to get to 1,000. Now we need to get to 1,000, bro. We're almost there. Like, is it right? But it didn't work, yeah. I mean, at least we got to 1,000, though. At least we got to 1,000. Okay, bro, we got a money bag. More, we got money bag. Because this is my coins right now. Is that one we can play? But thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, bro, guys.